Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today I am going to show you 3 summer drinks which will keep you energized and fresh throughout the day. So let's begin with the first drink. Into the blender jar I am going to add some chilled watermelon pieces. Next I am going to add some cucumbers. I've kept the skin on, mint for some added freshness, just a little bit of water. Let's put the lid on and blend it. Let's strain the juice. It is advisable to use a juicer, but since today I am using a blender, it is better to strain the juice before serving. To give it a little bit of tang, I am going to add some lemon juice. Our fresh watermelon mint cooler is ready to be served. Let's garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint. Moving on to our second drink, this one is called the Green Gold. Let's begin by adding some spinach leaves to the blender jar. Next goes in some apples. Here you can use some pineapples instead, some fresh cucumbers, and for a little bit of zing, I am going to add a piece of ginger. Add some water, cover it and blend it. So now let's strain it. Our green gold juice is ready. Let's serve it. Let's garnish it with a slice of cucumber. Our green gold juice is ready to be served. Now for the last drink called the carrot zinger. First we'll add the carrots, next some apples, beetroot, a small piece of ginger for some spicy punch, pinch of cinnamon powder. Add some water, cover it with the lid and let's blend it. Let's sieve the juice. Just add a dash of lemon. Let's serve it. Let's garnish it with a slice of lemon.